My name is Madalina Oltien. I study at Coleg Gwent Skills for Further Studies. I have chosen Skills for Further Studies because it helps me to my paths to access to nursing first of all, and after that it will help me go in a good university. First of all, I might say that in Romania, in my country, I learned how to write by hand, handwriting. Here, everything is on computer, and it helps a lot because I know in uni everything that I'm going to do is going to be on computers. Being able to learn this is Skills for Further Studies. It means a lot to me. I like the tutors. They're so involved in helping us in everything. The library is very helpful, especially about being able to have a computer and to work on it on my spare time. I love that I can have friends. I learned that I can have other colleagues of the same age. That gives me something to be proud of because it's never too late to start. I've been able to see in the course women of the same age, mothers with children who have been busy raising them and then, searching for a new start. After college, I want to take a job as a nurse, and after that I will go to uni and be a nurse. So I would recommend it definitely for people who want to go forward for their dreams. It's the best start that you can have. Being able to come to Skills for Further Studies have led me to what I want, and it will help me a lot.